The friction coefficient interactive calculator helps engineers determine friction relationships between surfaces by calculating coefficients, forces, and critical angles for both static and sliding conditions. Let's explore the inputs. First, we select our calculation mode from 6 options. Calculate friction coefficient from forces, calculate friction coefficient from incline angle, calculate friction force, calculate normal force, calculate required applied force, or calculate maximum incline angle. For this demo, I'm using calculate friction coefficient from forces. Next, we choose the motion state, either static for non-moving objects or kinetic for sliding objects. I'll select static. Now for the numerical inputs. Enter the friction force in newtons, the normal force in newtons, and if needed, the incline angle in degrees. Additional fields include the friction coefficient mu, mass in kilograms, gravity in meters per second squared, which defaults to 9.81, and surface angle in degrees, which defaults to 0. After clicking Calculate, the results appear below. When calculating friction coefficient from forces, the calculator divides the friction force by the normal force, giving you the dimensionless coefficient value. This tells you the exact friction properties between your two surfaces, critical for design calculations involving grip, sliding resistance, or motion analysis. Ensuring correct friction parameters is the first step toward efficient motion control and long-term system reliability. Find the link in the description below.